welcome to Flavor Chef Kitchen. Today we're making a sweet potato omelette, yes, with a Caribbean twist. So you get one sweet potato, use a peeler and peel it. After that, you add some chicken, tropical spice, chicken seasoning. You add some olive oil to the pot, medium heat. Add the sweet potato and cover it up. While you're doing that, you get 2 eggs. You add some more tropical spice seasoning to it and whisk them together. After whisking that, you take off the pot or your cover, add your eggs to it. Add some mozzarella cheese. While that, cover it back, let the cheese melt evenly, and flip your eggs or your omelette. And that's it, guys. Nice and fluffy. Don't watch the color. It's olive oil and plus it's sweet potato. It's gonna have that look. Yes, nice and fluffy. Thank you guys for stopping by to the Flavor Chef Kitchen. If you guys love it, just comment and let me know.